In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about the VLOOKUP function used in Excel sheet. So this function allows you to reference a particular column entry and try to find out what other column entry has and display it on the in the cell that which you put up this function. So uh, let's say you want to find out what is the capital city for Australia, and it is Canberra. But this is a huge table from which you need to do the selection. So maybe you want to find out some other country, but you don't know where it is located, and you just want it to be answered over here quickly. So country is our first column, then capital city is our second column, and description for that is our third column. So with regard to VLOOKUP, it is important to understand that whatever entry that we are searching for, it has to be always in column 1. So column 1 can be, it's a relative column 1. So actually for Excel, this is the column 1, but for our selection based upon VLOOKUP, it has to be this one will be the column 1. So Australia or any other country name that we are searching for has to be in column 1. So VLOOKUP, the syntax, let's go through the syntax. So VLOOKUP, then you enter the country name that you're looking for, and then put up the selection range. So selection range should include all the columns, like this is the column 1, and then include the further columns so that it is able to find out Australia and then relate it to Canberra, and the capital city is Canberra. So these two columns are get related to Australia if you do the complete selection. So you need to select all the cells and put it as a select the in the select the range uh, in the select the range syntax. And then comes in which column data is located relative to the selection column 1. So do you want to display capital cities Canberra, then relative to this column 1, the column has to be column 3, right? Because this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. If you want it to be displayed as Canberra, put it 2 over here, and then you can leave it as it is, or you enter false for exact match and true for approximate match. So here I have put up the formula which you can look into, so which is equal to VLOOKUP Australia comma ref table comma 2 comma false. So ref table is an entry that I have already defined using naming manager over here. So name manager, and it has ref table and defined by me, which is this B and C columns. So if you want to see, like, this selection gets automatically selected because I have selected ref table. So from ref table perspective, this will be the column 1 and this will be the column 2, and that's why we have selected 2, because we want to display Canberra, and then we have written as false. Next is your task to do. You can go ahead, download this worksheet which is attached with this video, and use the hint to find out capital city of Australia and return the value as capital city is Canberra. So you can use this type of syntax over here, or you can try it on out your own syntax. So go ahead and try this function. Thanks for watching.